guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are in good spirits. Today I'll be sharing a recipe for Guyanese conkie. This is an African dish that was brought to Guyana by the Africans, and we usually make it around emancipation time. So today I'll be showing you how I make mine. So here I have some cornmeal, and I'll be using fresh grated coconut. Avoid using the coconut that's pre-shredded. I have some pumpkin puree. It's the canned one I'm using, but feel free to use the grated pumpkin. I have some brown sugar, sweetened condensed milk, melted butter, vanilla extract, some cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. And here I have my banana leaves and some cooking twine. Let's get into the recipe. So this recipe is super simple and it'll go by real fast. Anyone can make this. You know, it's not complicated at all. Basically, you're just adding all the ingredients to a large bowl and mix until they're well combined. Now, I'm using salted butter, so I don't have to add any salt to this recipe. But if you're using unsalted butter, I suggest you add about ½ teaspoon of salt here. So once everything is nicely combined, I'll show you all the next step. And a quick reminder, everything here is edible. So you can actually taste it and make sure that it suits your liking. If you want to add more sugar or less sugar, you can go ahead and just do that. Just add a little at a time of the sweeteners, and if you feel like you need more, you can add more, or if you feel like you don't need more, you can just omit it. So you will need some banana leaves. You know, it's usually boiled in banana leaves. So here I have my banana leaves, which I went ahead and washed really well at first and dry them off a bit. So you want to put a nice amount of that mixture into your banana leaves, and you just fold it up like I am doing here. You fold the 4 ends inwards, and we will just hold it together with the cooking twine. But while I was folding it, I noticed that the actual leaf had broke at the side. And this is a common thing that usually happens when you're doing this recipe. This is very common for the leaves to break. So if you run into this problem, I'll show you how to fix it. All you have to do is continue what you're doing, just seal it up, and then we'll use some tin foil to secure everything in place. And once you use that tin foil, everything will stay in place and it will still be amazing. Now, if you cannot find the leaves, you can just use tin foil. Just place your mixture into the tin foil and do it like I'm doing it here, and you boil it up like that. And we will just continue with this process until we're all done. To be on the safe side, I will just wrap all of these up in the tin foil so that none break into the pot and, you know, make a big mess or waste anything, because food is so expensive these days. I'm not gonna waste anything, so we're gonna secure all of them with the tin foil and the banana leaves. So I was able to get about 6 of them with the amount of mixture that I had. But you can also use less and get more, or use more and get less. So here I have a pot of boiling water. You want to make sure that the water is to a rolling boil, and then we'll place all of our packets in there and we'll allow these to boil for about 30 minutes. You don't want to overcook these. 30 minutes is just right. You will get the right texture and everything with 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you want to allow this to cool down. You don't want to burn yourself. So let this cool properly, and then I'll open it and show you all what it looks like on the inside. So here we'll go ahead and just cut one of them open, and yeah, I haven't had this in like ages, guys, like in a long time. And let me tell you, it was so good. It was rich, it was delicious, and I really enjoyed this. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel out a lot. And please hit the subscribe button for me. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in my next video. All the ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description box. Thank you for watching and enjoy.